Okay? In the area of divine advice, we have the Six of Cups and the Chariot card. It's about forgetting your past and moving forward. Um, there, kasi Six of Cups is cups of nostalgia and childhood memories. So, probably the advice for you is dalhin mo lang yung mga ganda sa past mo. Use that as an inspiration for you to move forward. Nasa iyo pa rin yung kapalaran mo if you want to really move forward. You stay stuck in the past. So for you to be able to move forward and forget this past heartache and itong mga taon na nag-betray sa'yo at you want to move forward on your solo, you really have to really forget the painful things in the past and use them as inspiration na lang for you to move forward. That was the divine advice sa'yo na Holy Spirit sa kanang spirit guides. Let's clarify them. The Six of Cups is being clarified by the King of Cups.